Hi, it's Marianne here from Clockwork. We are so excited to be partnering with Orange Sky. They're an incredible charity, offering laundry services, emotional support to homeless people all around the country. This year Clockwork Sailing is racing 12 events, including the Rolex Sydney to Hobart, and we're raising awareness along our journey as we sail 15,000 kilometres of ocean water. With your support, we're aiming to raise $50,000 this year with personal and corporate donation options on offer. To find out more information, click the link down below and visit clockworksailing.com.au and come on the journey with us.